Forget expensive superfoods shipped from remote corners of the world. One of nature's most potent nutritional treasures has been hiding in plain sight at your local grocery store: the humble flaxseed. These unassuming little seeds, smaller than a sesame seed, pack such an incredible density of nutrients that modern science continues to uncover new benefits from regular consumption. What makes flax seeds truly remarkable is their unique combination of three powerhouse components: omega-3 fatty acids, lignans, and both soluble and insoluble fiber. This trifecta works synergistically in your body to deliver benefits ranging from improved heart health to cancer prevention. Ancient civilizations from Babylon to Egypt valued flax seeds for their medicinal properties, and today's research confirms they were onto something extraordinary. Let's examine what makes these tiny brown or golden seeds so nutritionally exceptional. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids, ALA. Flax seeds are the richest plant source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, containing about 2.3 grams per tablespoon. This essential fatty acid converts in your body to EPA and DHA, the same beneficial compounds found in fish oil. 2. Lignans. These plant compounds act as both antioxidants and phytoestrogens. Flax seeds contain up to 800 times more lignans than other plant foods, making them the #1 dietary source. 3. Fiber. With 3 grams of fiber per tablespoon, about 10% of your daily needs, flax seeds provide both soluble and insoluble fiber in ideal proportions. 4. Protein. At nearly 2 grams of protein per tablespoon, flax seeds offer complete protein containing all essential amino acids. 5. Micronutrients. They're rich in thiamine, B1, copper, molybdenum, magnesium, and phosphorus. This unique nutritional profile translates into some astonishing health benefits that modern research continues to validate. 1. Cardiovascular protection. Multiple studies demonstrate flax seeds' remarkable ability to improve heart health. Their soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in your digestive tract that binds to cholesterol, preventing its absorption. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming 30 grams, about 3 tablespoons, of flaxseed daily reduced LDL cholesterol by 12 to 15% in just 3 months. The omega-3s in flax seeds also help reduce blood pressure and arterial inflammation. A Canadian study showed that incorporating flax seeds into the diet could lower systolic blood pressure by up to 10 millimeters of mercury, an effect comparable to some blood pressure medications. 2. Digestive health and gut microbiome support. Flax seeds act like a broom for your digestive system. The insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool, while the soluble fiber absorbs water to prevent both constipation and diarrhea. But their benefits extend beyond regularity. The mucilage, a gel-forming fiber in flax seeds, soothes the intestinal lining, making them particularly helpful for conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and gastritis. Additionally, flax seeds serve as prebiotics, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut microbiome. A healthy gut flora translates to better immunity, mood regulation, and even weight management. 3. Blood sugar regulation. For those concerned about blood sugar levels or managing diabetes, flax seeds offer impressive benefits. The soluble fiber slows carbohydrate absorption, preventing dangerous blood sugar spikes after meals. A study in the journal Nutrition Research followed participants with type 2 diabetes who consumed 10 grams of flaxseed powder daily for a month. Results showed significant reductions in fasting blood sugar, down 19.7%, and hemoglobin A1C, a marker of long-term blood sugar control. The lignans in flax seeds also appear to improve insulin sensitivity at the cellular level. 4. Natural weight management aid. Flax seeds may be one of the most effective natural tools for sustainable weight management. The combination of healthy fats, fiber, and protein creates powerful satiety signals that reduce overall calorie intake without feelings of deprivation. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition found that adding flax seeds to the diet helped reduce waist circumference and body weight, particularly when replacing refined carbohydrates. Participants reported feeling fuller for longer periods, naturally decreasing their food intake. 5. Hormone balance and women's health. The lignans in flax seeds have mild estrogenic effects that can help balance hormones throughout a woman's life cycle. For premenopausal women, flax seeds may help regulate menstrual cycles and reduce PMS symptoms. During menopause, they can alleviate hot flashes and night sweats without the risks associated with hormone replacement therapy. Notably, flax seeds may offer protection against hormone-related cancers. A Canadian Cancer Society study found that women consuming flax seeds regularly had an 18% lower risk of developing breast cancer. The lignans appear to modulate estrogen metabolism, reducing the more potent forms associated with cancer risk. 6. Anti-cancer properties. Beyond breast cancer protection, flax seeds show promise against several cancer types. The omega-3s create an anti-inflammatory environment less conducive to cancer growth, while the lignans interfere with tumor angiogenesis, blood vessel formation to tumors. Prostate cancer research is particularly compelling. A Duke University study found that men awaiting prostatectomy surgery who consumed 30 grams of flax seeds daily showed significantly slower tumor growth compared to the control group. Similar protective effects are being studied for colon and ovarian cancers. 7. Skin and hair benefits. The omega-3s in flax seeds nourish skin from within, reducing dryness, flakiness, and sensitivity. Their anti-inflammatory properties can help manage conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and acne. The lignans stimulate collagen production, improving skin elasticity and reducing visible wrinkles. For hair, flax seeds provide essential fatty acids that strengthen hair follicles, reduce breakage, and add shine. Some people even use ground flax seeds mixed with water as a natural hair gel alternative. 8. Brain health and cognitive function. The ALA in flax seeds converts to DHA, a crucial fatty acid for brain health. Regular consumption has been associated with improved memory and learning capacity, reduced risk of age-related cognitive decline, better mood regulation, and lower depression risk. A study in the journal Nutrients found that higher ALA intake, like that from flax seeds, correlated with larger brain volume in older adults, suggesting potential protection against dementia. 9. Natural detoxification support. Flax seeds enhance the body's natural detoxification processes in several ways. The fiber binds to toxins and excess hormones in the digestive tract, preventing their reabsorption. The lignans support phase 2 liver detoxification, helping neutralize and eliminate harmful compounds. This makes flax seeds particularly valuable in our modern toxic environment, where we're constantly exposed to pollutants, pesticides, and endocrine disruptors. 10. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation underlies most modern chronic diseases, from arthritis to heart disease. The omega-3s in flax seeds help restore a healthier omega-3 to omega-6 ratio in our typically imbalanced modern diets. Studies show flax seed consumption can reduce inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein, CRP, by up to 30%, offering natural relief for inflammatory conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, asthma, and autoimmune disorders. To reap these impressive benefits, proper preparation is key. Always choose ground. Over whole. Whole flax seeds often pass through your digestive system undigested. Grinding them, or buying pre-ground flax meal, ensures you absorb all the nutrients. Storage matters. Because of their high oil content, ground flax seeds can oxidize quickly, Store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator or freezer for maximum freshness. Daily dosage. Most research uses 1-2 tablespoons daily. Start with 1 teaspoon if new to flax seeds to allow your digestive system to adjust. Creative ways to use them. Blend into smoothies, mix into oatmeal or yogurt, use as an egg substitute. 1 tablespoon ground flax plus 3 tablespoon water equals 1 egg. Add to baked goods, sprinkle on salads, stir into nut butters. While flax seeds are safe for most people, some should exercise caution. Those with diverticulitis or IBS may need to avoid the insoluble fiber during flare-ups. People on blood thinners should consult their doctor due to potential blood-thinning effects. Pregnant women should discuss with their healthcare provider due to lignans' hormonal effects. Always drink plenty of water when increasing fiber intake to prevent digestive discomfort. Flax seeds represent one of the most cost-effective research-backed superfoods available today. Their unique combination of omega-3s, lignans, and fiber delivers benefits few single foods can match, from cellular protection against cancer to visible improvements in skin and hair health. Unlike trendy superfoods that come and go, flax seeds have stood the test of time, with both ancient wisdom and modern science confirming their extraordinary value. By simply adding a tablespoon or two to your daily diet, you're investing in long-term health protection that pays dividends across virtually every system in your body. The best health strategies are often the simplest. In the case of flax seeds, this tiny nutritional powerhouse proves that sometimes the most extraordinary benefits come in the most unassuming packages.